Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video, today we will try to learn how and why we need to run Gpupdate force command on the client machines or servers. Okay, so we'll learn about this, like why we need to run the Gpupdate force command to update the group policies and how we will run it. Okay, so I'll show you step by step each and everything, but before going ahead I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel, just to support me, just to motivate me, please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos you will get the notification. Okay, so here are a few points why you might need to run the Gpupdate force. Okay, like force policy update. Okay, so basically now group policies update happen at regular intervals of 90 minutes for computer and 5 minutes for users in Active Directory. And if you want to make sure that any changes to the policy take effect immediately, you can use Gpupdate force command. Okay, resolve policy issues. So group policies settings may not apply correctly sometimes, okay, due to the network issue or due to the any other network glitch. So running Gpupdate force command can help reset and force the applications of all policies, which can fix such issues. Okay, immediate effect. So suppose if you made any changes on the your Active Directory or domain controller in the group policy, and if you want to apply that group policy or that changes to the your client machines or for users, maybe those policies will not get applied quickly, as the interval is 90 minutes for computer setting and 5 minutes for users. Okay, so in that case also we need to run the Gpupdate force command. Refresh group policy. So suppose if you have any existing group policy like this, one second, this is my domain controller. I am going to open here group policy management. Okay, so in my case I have few policies here, and suppose if you have any policies where you have already a few settings configured, but if you modify any settings, okay, and if you want to apply that settings quickly to the user, or if you apply it, if you create a new group policy and apply it for the computers and users, and if you want to implement or if you want to push that policy for users or computers, in that case also we need to run the Gpupdate force. Okay, now so let's run Gpupdate force. Now we need to go to the run menu and type here cmd, press enter and type here Gpupdate space / force and hit enter. So you can see updating policy. Now it will try to pull the policies, whatever you made changes on the domain controller, or what you applied the new group policies, or whatever you updated the settings in the existing group policy, it will try to pull the policies. Okay, so you can see here computer policy update has completed successfully, user policy update has completed successfully. Okay, so in this way you can run Gpupdate force and you can quickly push the group policies to the end user computers or for end users. So in short, if we can say, it's a way to make sure that the latest policy updates are applied quickly and reliably across system in a network, especially when changes are urgent. Okay, so I hope you will be aware now why and how we need to run the Gpupdate force. Okay, so guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.